Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. We are dealing with the subject of psychology, and this is in a very special reference to BHMS students. This is topic 2, and it deals with important questions in psychology which have been asked by different universities all over India. So let us review these particular questions, and there are areas of certain chapters through which these questions are coming. The very first, you can say, topic of the very first chapter is the philosophy, the science of science, and from this we have the questions science and philosophy. What is logic? Inductive reasoning? These were the very important questions. However, these questions overlap in psychology also and organon also. Second chapter is philosophy in medical field. Under this we have important questions: importance of psychology in medical field, the holistic approach, and third chapter is psychology and homeopathy. And under this particular heading we have certain questions like, why is the study of psychology important for homeopath? Relationship between psychology and homeopathy. Fourth chapter is simple psychology, where we have questions like define psychology, what is psychology and how does it differ from other sciences, what is psychology, and describe its relation with other sciences. Brief about the branches of psychology, uses of psychology, what is clinical psychology. From the historical perspective, we have few questions like Aristotle, Albrecht von Heller, and founder of psychoanalysis school of psychology. Contributions of Pavlov. Under the chapter of sensation and perception, we have questions: what is sensation, what is perception, explain some characteristics of perception. Under the chapter of cognitive processes, we have an essay on memory, amnesia, types of forgetting, what are different types of learning and define learning. Under illusion, delusion and hallucination, we have questions like illusion, right? What are different types of illusions? How illusions are different from hallucinations? Delusions, delusion and hallucination. Differentiate hallucination from delusion. Hallucination and its types. Differentiate or give differential diagnosis: illusion, delusion and hallucination. Schools of psychology. Under this chapter we have got following questions like, discuss various schools of psychology, describe contemporary school of psychology, schools of psychology, Gestalt psychology, functionalism, write various methods of psychology of behavior and explain one in detail. Maslow's theory of need is important. Discuss Abraham Maslow's theory of motivation. 10th chapter we have got behavioristic school of psychology. Under this we have questions like, what is psychology? Describe the domain and importance of psychology to a homeopathic student with special reference to behavioristic school of psychology. Behavior therapy, stimulus response, conditioned response. We have personality concepts. Under this we have got what is personality, personality and its related theories, temperaments. Very commonly we see in organon also temperament or materia medica. Freud's personality theories, it has got widest question. Say for example, explain in detail the psychoanalytic school of psychology with emphasis on theory of personality development and its various stages according to the psychoanalytic approach. Describe the structure of personality. What is personality? Explain Freud's psychodynamic theory of development, psychoanalytic theory, Freud's concept of psychological development, describe Freud's theory of psychosexual development, Freud's psychoanalytic theory of personality, ego, concept of pleasure and reality principle, Oedipus complex, define anxiety. What are various types of anxiety? Write in detail. Defense mechanisms. Ego defense mechanisms. Write in detail. What do you mean by projection? We have a chapter, attitude, aptitude and motivation. Under this we have question on motivation, aptitude. Under frustration and conflict we have questions like frustration, intelligent caution, write note on intelligence, intelligent caution, Spearman's theory of intelligence. Under sleep and dream we have one topic which is rarely been asked, that is dreams. Lifespan transition and mental health. Under this particular heading we have topics like enumerate the salient features of developmental psychology with its importance in homeopathy, explain the social, emotional, physical development during adolescence, period of adolescence and its related behavioral dysfunctions, define neonate and infant. Under emotions we have questions like emotions only and define emotion and its different types. Phobia. Thank you very much for patient listening.